So all the idea using new barrels, and I will say eventually more specifically about the Aquaflex barrels. For example, you know, since a long time, since the beginning, I was always looking for by the barrels to find a way by the toast, by the origin of the oak, and I will say by the density of the grain, to find barrels who will be really, really respectful of my wine. And it's still more challenging when you speak about white vinification, because you have no tannin. Even somewhere we're in Paso Robles and we make some white with some depth, but you have not the structure that you can have in a red. And so I will say at this time, the new barrels, when you use new oak, it's very challenging and it's very delicate, because if you don't find the good balance, the wine will be over-oaked and will be over-marked by the barrels. And so the Aquaflex from Sogamoro, I think exactly, I will say, a match with my expectation, because I can see, for example, for my Roussanne estate 2009, I used 30%, so 30% of new oak, and after 8 months, because I don't mature in barrels my white too long, but after 8 months, definitely the wine, you could feel that the wine got some complexity, I would say, coming directly from the barrels, but at the same time you were still tasting the fresh juice, all the characteristic of the Roussanne, so all the characteristic of the grape, plus also the expression of the terroir, and so you had this minerality I'm looking for too. So I think that's what I'm looking for, and if we take the example of the immersion barrels, it's Aquaflex, sorry, it's a perfect match somewhere.